Good morning, beautiful people. I'm Alex and this is Gingerhead & Co, my sewing vlog. Today, part 2 of the Berda hoodie hack tutorial. You are going to see how I construct the body, closing the pockets in the side seams. We are also going to sew the hood and the hood lining and attach the hood to the lining. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. So that's my front done, the pockets are here, one and the other. I'm going to attach the raglan sleeves, then raglan sleeves to the back and then the back to the front. I've got raglan sleeves here and we're going to sew them on. And now I'm going to attach the back to the other side of the raglan sleeves. Front and raglan sleeves attached. Now the back. Of course, right sides together. Let's go. And the other one. So the sleeves are attached to the back and the front, and now I'm going to sew the sides catching the pockets. So the pockets that are here, right, still open, so the side seam is still open. The pockets are going to be closed because I'm going to attach the back to the front containing the pockets. But I'm going to do one continuous seam starting from the sleeve. So starting from the very bottom of the sleeve where the cuffs will go. And done. So that's the front done. I need the hood and I need to add ribbing to the bottom and cuffs. But the pockets are now closed, see? So the pockets are closed at the side. They are not closed at the bottom because I'm going to finish it with ribbing. That's the pocket. Let's make the hood. So I've got my hood and my lining. Hood first. One and the other. And I put my hood into the lining, or the lining into the hood. The lining is 3 millimeters smaller in, well, my case. Makes my life easier. But one is inside the other, right sides together. We are stitching the outer layer, the one that is going to be next to your face. We are stitching it together. and the hood is done. And I'm going to quickly run a line of cover stitching here, because I'm not adding any strings or anything, no eyelets. I'm just going to use cover stitch for decoration on the hood.